Hi, to use your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active as a remote control, as a first step, take your watch and press this power button to open the list of apps. Here, search for the camera icon, and here it is. And as you can see, we need to open camera on the phone, so let's do it now. Here is my camera app. I'm gonna open it. And now, to take photo immediately, we will need to press the camera shutter button, or you can set timer first. For that, find this icon, and here you can set timer for 3 seconds, for 5 seconds, and turn it off. So this means that the photo will be taken after 3 seconds. Let's turn it off and press the camera shutter button. And as you can see, instead of taking photo, we just zoomed in. If you have the same problem, then you will need to go in the settings in this upper panel. And here scroll a bit so you can see this volume button function tab. And from zoom, you will need to switch to the shutter option. Now let's go back and test it. So I'm gonna press this camera shutter button again. And now we just took a photo. So everything is working just fine. Let's set a timer for 3 seconds. And this is how it works. So hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.